Let's chat out a few more examples of slope. Look at example number 3. This one's a little odd. If I try to draw in my rise and run, I'm not going to be able to go up or down. I can only move to the right. So that's moving in a positive direction 4. That means my rise is 0 and the run is 4. So when I write my fraction as 0 over 4, it needs to be reduced, and 0 divided by any value is 0. So this is an example of a horizontal line building a 0 slope. That will happen every single time on a horizontal line, so you could just memorize that. Check out number 4. It's really similar. If I try to connect the dots, I can rise in a negative direction. I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, but there is no horizontal run. So the rise here is -5. The run is 0. So when the fraction's written out as -5 over 0, we have a problem. You cannot take something and divide it into nothing. This is called an undefined value. And I'm just going to abbreviate for space there. So every single vertical line would be undefined. Let's flip over and get a couple more examples in. Okay, here's our process. Step 1, draw in rise and run lines. Step 2, write the fraction. And step 3, simplify. If you enjoy a step-by-step process, you could follow these steps every single time. So step 1, draw in the rise and run lines. Rise, run. I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm running 1, 2, 3. Write up the fraction. The slope is equal to the rise, +5, over the run, +3, and simplify. Well, I can't simplify 5 over 3. So that's finished. This is saying I vertically move 5 and I horizontally move 3. Okay, last example to do together. Number 6, step 1, draw in the rise and run lines. Count them. Down 3, that's -3, to the right 1, +1. A rise of -3 and a run of +1. Step 2, write up the fraction. -3 over +1. Step 3, simplify. We can write this in a more simplified way. -3 divided by 1 is simply -3. I hope these extra examples helped you out. Have some more practice with the remaining problems on the sheet. Happy studying!